welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited, you guys. I know that it's been a while, but I have just been working on my mental and my spiritual health, you guys, because when I work on myself I can come back even better. So thank you to all who understand and know me as of now, that I just take these breaks here and there, and thank you all to those who are still there patiently waiting for me to post. I love you all so much. I really appreciate you guys just, being on this journey with me. But in today's video, you guys, I am doing makeup inspired by Haku from Spirited Away. I love Spirited Away, you guys. It's one of my favorite Studio Ghibli movies. I have loved this movie for the longest time. Every time I watch it, I always cry because it's so beautiful. I love all of the characters, the music, the art. Like Hayao Miyazaki, his stuff is just legendary. It's incredible. I just love it so much. And I just had to do a video inspired by Spirited Away. So I'm so excited for this, you guys. I'll be listing the makeup that I'm using in the links below. And yeah, you guys check that out if you'd like to know what I'm using. Also, I want to say a thank you to Julian Cosmetics for some of the products that I'm using in this video. I was recently invited to one of his events for his makeup store. So you guys go ahead and check out his website. I have a 10% off code, which is Crystal Ray, so you guys can check out some of his products on his website, and just, yeah, you guys get yourself 10% off. So yeah, I am just really happy about this video, you guys. Like, I've had this idea in my head for a while because I was just like, this wig is really inspiring me because of the color, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can do makeup inspired by Haku. And the idea just popped up in my head, and I was like, thank you, God, for giving me this idea. Like, shout out to God. He's always giving me like great ideas. So yeah, I'm really happy that I decided to do this. Okay, so next I am going to draw a line for basically like a cut crease over my eyeshadow, because I thought it would be cute and kind of, make the eyes pop out a little bit more. And I also decided that I would add in those paper birds that were introduced after Haku raided Zeniba's house. So Zeniba kind of, I guess, put her spell on those paper birds. I think they were trying to harm Haku, but at one point I think it actually helped Chihiro get inside of Yubaba's bathhouse. So yeah, I think that's what happened. I haven't watched it in a minute, but I thought that was an important part of Haku's storyline, these little paper birds. So I thought it would be cute to add them in. And I also decided to put one on the other side of my cheek, so we have some balance going on. So yeah, I like the way that came out. And I'm just really happy about this whole look, and just, doing the whole Spirited Away theme, because I just love the movie so much. And you guys go ahead and continue to enjoy the video, and I will see you all at the end of the video. Make sure you stay tuned, because I will be drawing Haku around me. I think it's like the icing on top of this look. So you guys go ahead and stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. you.